Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a short video where I will show you how to connect your Galaxy Buds to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this can be useful as you can watch Netflix or anything on your TV without disturbing others in the room. And also for a better audio experience, as usually the TV sound echoes in the room. To pair your earbuds in normal situation is very easy. Once you will open the case, it should show the pairing options on your Smart TV instantly. You can connect right from here by choosing connect option like shown here. But sometimes it's not so easy and you don't find pairing options automatically. In this situation, all you need to do is go to your TV settings and choose sound option. Now choose sound output option. Here you will get 3 options: TV speaker, optical and Bluetooth speaker list. Click on the Bluetooth speaker list option. When you click this option, your earphone should show here automatically. But if for some reason it does not show here, then press and hold both the earphones head for 3 to 5 seconds. You will see a green and then red LED light. It will keep blinking. It means it's on pairing mode. So now you should be able to see your earphones in the list. Click on Needs Pairing and then click on Pair and Connect. That's it. You should be able to connect it easily. Once connected, the green LED light will stay on. Now you can come out of the menu and enjoy watching your favorite movies and TV series without disturbing anyone in the room or in the house. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next